In the last video, we covered how to update your listing's pricing details. In this video, we'll explore the Vehicle tab, where you can adjust vehicle details and upload images for your listing. First up is the Vehicle Info section. Here you can update key vehicle attributes like VIN, unit ID, license plate, vehicle class, number of seats and doors, description. Use the feature checkboxes to highlight things like snow tires, bike racks, Bluetooth, and more. You can also set or sync the odometer reading so you always know the mileage at checkout. This can be updated manually or synced automatically with smart vehicle integrations like Tesla or Bouncie. Next, you can upload up to 20 images to showcase your vehicle. The first image will be used in emails and is the main image guests will see, so make it count. Finally, there's the pre-existing damage section. Use this to document any known damage to the vehicle. This helps you, your team, and your guests stay on the same page about the vehicle's condition. As damages are repaired, you can clear them from the list. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll dive into the Listing Settings tab where you can configure additional options and preferences for your listing.